Hello and welcome back to another video. In our previous video, we looked at the basics of elimination to solve a system of equation. Today we'll be practicing more challenging examples. Let's begin then. 3x plus 2y equal to 14, and 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 6. Here, unlike the other examples that we saw in the previous video, we do not have one that we can immediately cancel out. If we do subtraction, we're not going to get rid of x or y, as the coefficients are different. So, what we must do is multiply either of the equations or both in order to obtain the same coefficients. Here, we can multiply both sides, one side by 2 and the other one by 3, for example. Let's do that. Let's multiply the first equation by 2 on both sides because it has to remain equal. And the second equation by 3. So let's solve this. Our first equation, we're going to get 2 times 3x, 6x, plus 2 times 2y, plus 4y equals 14 times 2, 28. In our second equation, we're going to get 3 times 2x, 6x. Here we see same coefficients. 3 times minus 3y, minus 9y. We don't have the same coefficients, but it doesn't matter because we only have to eliminate one of them. Is equal to minus 6 times 3, minus 18. Now that we have both of our equations, we can choose either to add or to subtract. In this case, the most logical thing to do would be to subtract in order to get rid of the 6x. 0, 4y minus, so plus 9y, 13y is equal to 28 minus, so plus 28 plus 18, which is 46. Now, all we have to do is y is equal to 46 over 13. And then we find our x value by substituting it back to the equation. 2x minus 3 times 46 over 13 is equal to negative 6. And then, after some calculations and isolating x, we get that x is equal to 30 over 13. We have our x and we have our y for the system of equations. Thank you for watching. Practice these methods with different problems to build your confidence in solving systems of equations, as these are crucial for understanding the basics of mathematics.